Hello everybody, my name is Bobby the Astronaut, and I'm here to tell you some stuff about the solar system. First, let us go visit the sun. As you can see, here we have the sun. The sun is the small white star that the planets orbit around, but though it is big. The sun is 1.391 million kilometers wide, or over 12 million football fields. Very long. The sun is about 4.5 billion years old, which basically means it's very old. And the sun could fit 1.3 million Earths in it. Well, now that we've visited the sun, it's time to go see Mercury. So we're gonna travel all the way to Mercury. La-dee-da, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. And here is Mercury on the horizon. Well, here we have Mercury, folks. Mercury is the first planet from the sun, and it has no moons. Mercury is the smallest planet at only 4,879 kilometers wide, or 44,000 football fields long. Mercury is the planet with the most drastic temperature change, from negative 73 degrees Celsius, which would freeze you to death, to 427 degrees Celsius, which would boil you alive. There are less than 2 days a year in Mercury, with 88 Earth days in a year, and one day being only about 55.5 Earth days. Well then, now that we've visited Mercury, which planet is next? Oh right, Venus. Let's fly to Venus. Here we are, Venus, the second planet from the sun, with no moons, named after the Roman goddess of love. Despite being named after the Roman goddess of love, Venus is the hottest planet, with an average temperature of 472 degrees Celsius, and it rains sulfuric acid, which would kill you. Well, now that we've visited the deadly planet Venus, seems as though it's a good time for a new change of scenery. Let's go visit our planet, Earth. La-dee-da, do-do-do-do-da. Here we are, Earth, with all its splendor and beauty. Yep, Earth is our planet, the third planet from the sun, and with one moon, that we comically named Moon. Earth is the only known planet in the universe to have life, which is why it makes it so special. And the only reason Earth can sustain life is because it's in an area known as the Goldilocks zone, which is a certain area from the sun where the temperatures are just right to sustain life. And we have seasons because the Earth's axis is slanted a bit, and some sides are closer to the sun at different times of the year. There you have it, that's Earth. Well folks, now that we've visited our luxurious planet of Earth, let's go visit a more red planet. Can you guess what one we're going to? That's right, we're going to Mars. And up, and here we have it. Mars, the big giant red planet. Hang on a second. Here we are, Mars. And Mars is the fourth planet from the sun, and it has two small moons named Phobos and Deimos. I wish our moon had such a cool name. Mars is 6,779 kilometers wide. And Mars is red because the surface has little iron, or rust, specks in it, basically meaning it's covered in rust dust. Rust dust. That's a funny rhyme. And also, Mars is way farther from the sun. Also, Mars is farther from Earth than Earth is to the sun, basically meaning Mars is really, really far away.